Yo, what is up? Welcome to a new video. Today we're doing a rear seat delete in the Golf R. I'll tell you more about the car and the plans on the end of the video because you're probably just here to see the rear seat delete. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is just pull these out. It's just really easy. You can just pull them back and that's it. So do that for all four. So step number 2 is going to be, you're going to put your hand underneath here and just pull it up quite hard. You can do the sides, maybe it's better to start at the sides. Pull it up, then right here, a little bit more to the side, pull it up. So you have to pull it quite hard, and that's that. So after you pull it up, what you want to do is push it a little bit back and pull it up. Because there's a little hook under the couch right there, and it's like this. So the couch hooks into it, so you have to push it all back to get it clear. And then pull the whole couch up and to the front. So if it focus, push it back a little bit like that and then pull it up. There you can see now you can lift it really high. On this side I already did it. And then you're gonna pull like that to make it come out of the ISOFIX. Push this back a little if necessary and then just keep pulling it until it's loose. So that right there is the hook I was talking about. So the seat is stuck in here, so you have to push it back, pull it up a little, and then pull it back. Of course the hooks are on both sides. Let me see, where's this one? Right there. So there, and one on the other side. So the next thing you can do is pull out these ISOFIX things. It's pretty easy. Pull them towards yourself until you hear them pop. This one is quite stuck. You see, I just pull it towards myself. Then you turn it down a little bit, like that, and it just falls off. You can do that for all four. And then we're going to unscrew these things, because you're not going to need the seat belts. So now it's time to get out your tools. This is the 17mm, so that's the European size, 17mm. You're going to turn this to the left. Same for that one, and then you can just pull them out. What you could do is turn this back on so you don't lose the nut, or you just have to make sure it doesn't go missing. So then you end up with this. I put the nuts back on. When I get a little box or something, I'll take everything off and put it in the box. So this is the seat belt part. So that's off. This one is connected. You can't see it because it's so light there, but that's connected to your rear seat. So now we're at the back of the car. You can take out the board. I already did. Just lift it. As you can see, you can just, oh wait, I got it right here. You just lift it and then pull it back. So that's quite easy. Same for this one. Pull it up, pull it back, take that one out, and then we're going to continue. So right here there's normally a little plastic cover. I have to be honest, this cover I took off once and I put it somewhere, I don't know where, but I'll find it. And also there's a nut in here at the top. Take that one out. So that's already done in my seat delete. So what you do with the plastic cover, you just pull it from the back, pull it this way. Make sure you it's clamped around this side and this side, so that's easy. And then take that one out. Never mind, I found it. It was inside the car. So that is how it's on the thing back there. And you cannot really see it, but well, you can. Right there is a click thingy, and the same on the other side. So pull out. So pull that out, and this one right there out. And then pull it back. So that's the plastic thing. Next step is putting the seats forward. By, you know how this works, I think, but just push that, pull it and push it forward. That's it. So the next step is taking out this little black thing. What you can do, if you put your finger under it right here, you can push it up. Now it's pretty hard to get out of here with the camera in my hand, but what I normally do, this seat, I lift it back up a little bit and then pull it a little bit, because then you can get the seat up a little and pull this out this way, so that's easier. So with one hand it's probably pretty hard, but as you can see right there, I just pulled up the seat, wiggled it a little bit, and then you get this one out. Right now you can just pull the seat back this way, and let me show you. So this is where we left off. There's a pin right there, it's stuck in your seat, so you have to lift this up and then pull it. Put it up straight a little bit. As you can see, I just wiggled it a little bit and there's the pin. So now this part of the seat is loose, so let me take that out. So for the other seat, obviously you're going to do the same. Just pull it up here, then pull it away from that side. There's a pin also inside here, so I'm not going to do it on camera. I'm just going to push it out, pull it out right now. So one thing you have to keep in mind when you take out the double part of the back seat is that it's really heavy, so you don't want to drop it. So make sure you're in a good position to pull it out, because it's really quite heavy. But yeah, that's it. Seats deleted. Fast little video. So let me tell you what I'm gonna do to the car. Oh yeah, one more thing. This thing is just gonna stick out like a sore thumb if you don't put the plate back, you know, the plate right here. So I'm gonna put the plate back over the subwoofer, because also I got my water and meth kit right there, and it's, well, the wiring is spaghetti, so I don't want that inside. So I'm gonna put the board back. But yeah, let me switch the camera and tell you a little bit more about the next mods, the next things, the weight reduction and things like that. So I'm gonna weigh everything with my son. Ga er eens op staan, jongen. So my son is 26.8 kilograms. Can't really see it. 32.5. Stilstaan.
Sta ik stil?
32.9. Ja, top. Some loose parts. 27.6. 15.3. Let's try it again. Yeah, I think 15.3. So that right there was the rear seat delete. Like I said, I wanted to do the delete first and then talk about the car, because when you're on YouTube and you're searching how to remove the seats, you don't want to hear me talk about all kinds of things that you know nothing about. But for the people that do follow the channel and do follow the car, I'm gonna start some weight reduction series. This is gonna be episode 1, removing the rear seats. So I'm also thinking about making a little net inside there and a tube in the back to make it look better, also where the rear seats were. I want to make a carpet or something like that, or I'm gonna buy it. So I'm gonna make it or buy it, I'm not sure yet. I bought another really nice thing for this car. I got some nice ideas with it. Let me show you right now. So this is one of the other things I bought. It's a full aluminium Kirky seat. I'll get back on that. So yeah, to install that I'm gonna need another interior, because I don't want to install it in place. I want to make it so that I can still adjust it. So I'm gonna buy an extra interior. I'm gonna remove all the things from under the seat and see how I can build it on the racing seats, so I can still move it forward and backward, and maybe even up and down, I don't know, but at least forward and backward. So yeah, I'm gonna have to buy an interior for that, so I'm searching for that right now. I'm gonna do 2 chairs. I'll probably also put a little coat on it, you know, powder coat it in a nice color. So that's also a plan. So next to all that, I want to try some lightweight wheels, and probably I'm gonna go back to Toyo RRR tires. So that's also a thing. So then we have the rims, the seats, the rear seat delete. So I'll also do a delete on the front seats, like a video how to delete the front seats. just for people searching it. I'm gonna do the full install on the Kirky seat and how to fabricate the normal frame on the Kirky seat. I don't know in how much detail I can do it because it might be a lot of work. I don't know yet, so we'll see about that. But yeah, next to that I'm looking for a roll cage, so that's not really weight reduction, or how do you call it, like a club sport roll bar, just for safety. So that's the thing I want to do. Yeah, next to that maybe some carbon fiber parts, maybe a smaller battery, you know, those racing batteries. If you have more ideas, let me know in the comments. I just started searching for weight reduction things, and well, the first thing I did is buy the Kirky seat because I just like the aluminium seats, so you can powder coat them in any color you want. So that's pretty cool. They won't be the most how do you call that? They won't sit really nice probably. Yeah, I sat in them like in the kitchen, and then it's fine, but driving on the roads I don't know how it's gonna sit, but we'll see all about that. So that's a really nice project. So with that all being said, I'm gonna wrap up the video. If you're subscribed, thanks a lot. We just reached 700 subscribers, and I didn't really expect it to go that fast. My goal for 2021 is 1000 subscribers. So it's only 300 away. We're at 701 right now, I think. So if this video helped you out, please help me out to reach my goal. Subscribe, leave a like, comment, share the video, all that good stuff. For now, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in the next video.